still not playing.
Well, they stopped playing football.
Yeah.
And they started playing football again.
Okay.
So, they just be out.
Good say. Sorry?
Oh, goodness me.
You need an holiday.
I'll put one.
Way! Good. When are you going?
Easter Sunday.
Well, wait, you going to Turkey?
Yeah.
Yeah, I remember now. So we have loads of Turkish massage.
Oh, yeah.
Chilling out, breathe in. Breathe out. Good. Chilling. Try your left side for me. They're supposed to be amazing, like Turkish baths, aren't they? You been before?
I've been to Turkey, yeah.
They're really good.
Yeah, I'm not. Yeah, I've been. Well, I've never had a Turkish bath or anything, but I won't. I'm in the works then, right? Getting old now.
It does do, it does start like, I'm already feeling it looks like it's stiff. There it is.